spooky castle. It's so big. It has a strong walls at the bottom and a big pointy top. Let's make the bottom first. Sit all the way down. Point your toes that way. And put your fingers pointed right at your heels. And lift up your middle to make the bottom of your spooky castle. And wave to all the guests. Hello, guests. Welcome to my spooky castle. Hello, you over there. Welcome to my spooky castle. Oh. Hello over there, and welcome to my spooky castle. Wow, welcome to my spooky castle. Now, wave with one hand and come all the way over to make the pointy top of the castle. Wahaha! Welcome to my castle. Hello and welcome to my spooky castle. Hello. And all the way down.